So here he is watching himself play on the screen.
Legs hanging out with side, tail. Having a good old time.
He's so interested to watch. He loves watching TV. Of course, this is the computer screen, but same thing. It's a computer. Here's what he's watching. He's watching himself play up here in his treehouse, whacking the feather, having a good old time. Loves watching the TV.
Wow. That's a pretty good
Wow.
thread. Had you been away, you'd have gotten scratched up pretty good. I've got it, and I'm not letting you go.
He's not letting go. He's kind of good in his
Stranglehold.
I'm going up to the TV. I'm getting closer. I'm pawing the TV. I'm gonna get that feather.
There's not much to grab onto.
He's 6 inches away from the screen.
See you? Okay, nice. That new teeth is 6.5 months old.
And here's the fun in the treehouse. He's watching himself. He's so fascinated.
In fact, in my box, let's see. We'll get into the powder. I'll spin around.
Do you have enough watching? Okay. Yeah, he got bored finally with it. Back down to the floor. Maybe you want to go watch your turtle eating. I have a pet turtle in the backyard here. A wild one. He lives here all the time. Where is he? He took off. He's not here right now. Sorry.